Hush.
Literally from the movie, bro. That shit's wrong. The car's back with another video, man. That's better. All right. Y'all know, I already have, if y'all know, this carving wheel that I bought. It's actually a deep dish. And look, you can see right now, it's loose. This is, I swear how it always gets. I don't know why it gets so fucking loose, but it's pretty annoying. Like, I don't know if it's because all the carbon or because it's like plastic or what, but it just keeps getting loose. Even though I tighten it like every week. So, I'm going to be changing to this. I know this is a little fucked up, but I bought this for like 60 bucks. Usually these are like way fucking more. I think I'm going to try to either patch all that shit or try to figure out a sort of design that I could do on this, because you guys can see it's kind of like the flaky like maroon. But I definitely like this part mostly. Maybe I could just wrap the whole face or something. Like, I don't know. Maybe I could figure something out about how to do that. But wrap it 3 times. I don't know. Maybe I could wrap it and then just keep this part. This part's pretty cool, and I just need, like, you see how it's not as deep of a dish, and I'll show you guys that. So that means it's gonna be close, like further away from me a little bit. But the thing is, I also do want the regular NRG quick release. So I did buy it with all this, but the guy, like, he didn't have the male end, so I only have this now, which kind of sucks. But I just bought all this for 60 bucks, and he said if he figures out how to find it or whatever, I could just pay him extra for the rest of it. But for now, 60 bucks is 60 bucks. Like, it's an NRG, you dig? I have NRG seats as well. I don't know what type of steering wheel this is, so I figured that it would just be better to have the NRG. So that's what I'm going to be doing, bro. All it is these screws that I got to take off. I don't know what type of thing they used, adapter or whatever, but it's adapting, bro. That's all I got to say about that. So we're going to see what happens on the inside of this, and we'll be back. All right, y'all. I still got to tighten it, but y'all can see, bro. It's way like farther away from me. So that looks lucky fire too. A little blingy. Jojo Car's back with a video, and baby, look what we got. We finally fucking got the ding. Hopefully. I don't know if it's gonna ding or not. So I put on this fucking prematurely. Shouldn't have. So I have to take that off at this moment. It definitely leaked in my garage, which is why I have a bucket here, but seems like it missed a lot. Anyways, I don't know where the tool that I need is, so I gotta find that, first of all. Second of all, I have this one still, so I have 2 versions. So I might put this on the carbon fiber one just for now, just so I can have more and make bullshit videos. But that's about it. And then I could unbox it for you guys, show you guys what's in it. Shit. If I don't want to, so put your finger under there, whatever that is. Ooh, sticker. Look, that's the best part. Sticker. All right, and then you see these like booklets and shit, and then warranty, and this thingy, and then you got the hardware or something, whatever that is, and then whatever this is, and then boom, you got this the thing that you want, basically. Yeah. So boom, boom. So I have this old one that I bought with this wheel, actually. So but yeah. So look, the rest of the color, you know. All right. Yep. Makes sense. All right. I do want to wrap this possibly because this and shit. So I mean, but I paid $60 for this and this, but it just didn't come with this bottom piece right here. Hold on. Yeah. So it just didn't come with the bottom piece, which it was supposed to, but it just, I guess they lost it or whatever they did with it. So, yep. So I just have one bottom piece. So maybe I'll get one used or whatever one day, and then yeah, I don't know. So right now I'm gonna just take all those screws off and then basically put this on, and I think I'm good. And then I gotta put it on the back of this, on the back of that. All right, go. All right, it did come with its own thing. I already put the thing on the back of there, and look how it looks. This is so fire. We quickly gang right now, bro. Oh my god. So we gonna put that there, and then boom, this is gonna go right here, like that. Oh shit, wrong way. How you know is the energy and then the dot, energy and then the dot. So it's on top. So I'm about to bolt that all in, and then I don't know if this motherfucker dings, bro. I'm low key like pissed off, but we're gonna see right now, y'all. I don't think it dings though. Guys. Guys. Look at this, Roy. Yo, look at this. This is like perfect too, bro. Look, I'm all the way back in my seat and it's at my wrist. Just about, you know. And then well, my shit's not too bent. Hold on. My shit's not too bent. I know it's gonna feel perfect, bro. What the fuck was that? You that. Oh wow. What the fuck? I broke it, guys. Alright, one more time. Yes, sir. No honk. No honk. But we got the thing. I gotta work on the honk. Hee hee hee. Alright, that's the video. It was just taking off screws, putting it back in. I'm just happy I got the ding. Now, I'm actually, so now that I have this setup done, so there goes one setup. Doesn't that look pretty? Look at this. Just look at this. Take a look. Take a second to just look. This is, you know, a little weighted. I like this. I like this. I really do like this. I like the look. You know, I could just leave my car, grab my wheel. So I'm about to use this wheel too. I'm about to go through this pain just for this while. It's okay. This one's black and black, so it's gonna work too. And I could just put the old one in. So stay in tune for this one too. And then sorry I'm blocking the fucking camera, but and then I gotta make a TikTok, so y'all stay in tune, man. So I'm gonna show you guys that, and this video should be over.